Hey, I'm Travis Moon down here at CMS Garage and Body Shop in downtown Anderson, South Carolina. So just to give a little backstory on CMS, my granddaddy and his brother started this place in 1952, and he worked his whole life here, retired. My daddy worked here, he retired, and now I'm running the show, and I've been doing it 27 years full-time, but actually it's kind of like 37 years because my daddy used to drag me here when I got out of school, or if we had snow days or anything back then, he would bring me here, and I've kind of just grown up in this shop and you know, learned to love it, and I'm here doing it. So I met Dave with Lombard equipment, I don't know, it's probably going on 6-7 years ago. You know, he's come in the shop as a salesman and trying to sell me all this equipment, and I used to push him away because I was like, you know what, I'm doing fine the way I am. I don't think I need this equipment. And then, you know, maybe a year or two later, I was working on certain cars that needed the SPR rivets, had to put a frame rail in, needed a certain gun. And so I called Dave up and I was like, Dave, can you come, you know, demo this tool for me? That's what I wanted him to demo it for me, just so I could get this job done. So he came down here with equipment and he demoed the job for me, you know, and we did it and liked how everything worked. And then, you know, after that, him coming down there and helping me out with that job, it made me realize that, you know what, I do need to invest in some better equipment to get these jobs done right, done as factory as they can, and you know, to make my customers happy and also do a good job on the car. So I invested with Dave, and you know, he comes down here on a regular basis. I bought multiple things from him, and if I ever need him, give him a call and he's down here within a day or two at the most. So I mean, you know, it's a great company to buy from. They have the best tools and they'll take care of you.